Okay, this is Tori Day. We are on week 7 with Pro Nanotech. And this is our JS4 coding assignment. Let's see here. I gotta keep this under 5 minutes. So last time I tried was like 11, so I'm gonna have to skim through most of this. We went and did 13 questions or tasks here, so I'm just gonna kind of summarize them. First one was kind of a four-part, A, it was 1, A, B, and C, where we had to add an array, subtract last from first, um, as well as getting the average. Okay, and then let's see here. For 2, we got a new array called names. They gave us a list of names. And the tasks were to create loops to calculate the average number of letters per name. Secondly, to use a loop to spit out all the names with spaces between them. Okay, and then number 3 was how you access the last element of any array. And like I used before, it's array.length -1, since we start from 0. Number 4 is how do you access the first element of an array, and that is array with the element number 0. Okay, so number 5, we created, let's see here, we created a new array called name lengths. And that was supposed to be empty. And we were supposed to populate it with the number of characters from the names array. So I did a loop to or add the number of letters per element from the names array to that new array. Number 6. Let's see, we got a loop here a loop to numbers array calculates the sum of all elements in the array. So we calculated the sum by adding all the numbers from that previous array. Number 7, create a function, takes 2 parameters, word and n, or a number, to return a word concatenation. So basically, they had us write a function to put in a word and then have it repeat it that many times. So this one I put hello, and then it repeats that 5 times, no spaces. Number 8 is a first and last to full name function. Pretty simple, kept it 1 line. Let's see, 9. Write a function takes array of numbers, returns true if the sum of all numbers is greater than 100. I created 2 arrays to kind of, show examples of each. Did the math, created a if-else loop to spit out whether it's true or false. Number 10. Oh boy, let's see. Write a function, takes array numbers, returns average. Okay, so I created a function called average that spits out the average of all the numbers from the array. 11, write a function that takes 2 arrays of numbers and returns true if the average of elements of the first array is greater than the average of the elements in the second. So I actually used the function from before to calculate the average and then spit out whether it's true or false with another if else loop. 12, write a function called will buy drink. Yep. Whether, if it's true if it's hot out and if you have enough money. So I created that. I spit out 3 different, variations to give examples that it does work. And then 13, we create our own function. So I created a way to calculate the area of your pizza. So for example, if it's a 14-inch, it spits out, the area of that, same with 16 or so on. And that concludes our assignment for the week.